Vectorization in NLP is a process of converting text data into numerical representations that machine learning models can process. Since models cannot understand raw text, we need techniques like bag of words, TF-IDF, and word embeddings to transform textual data into vectors. What is the need of vectorization? Text is unstructured data, and ML or deep learning models requires structured numerical input. Vectorization captures features from text such as term frequency, importance, and relationships. Helps in various NLP tasks like text classification, sentiment analysis, document similarity, and machine translations. Let's start with bag of words. Bag of word model represents text as a collection of word counts, ignoring grammar and word order. It just gives the representation of the word given. Here in the output, we can see it just identified all the unique words in the given corpus, and in a matrices, it just represents each word as 1, which is present, and 0 as non present. Here, each row represents a sentence and each column represents a word. The values indicating in the matrices, row and column, is actually a word frequency. If and is repeating second time, it'll get that as a 2, like this. Okay, now let's move on to TF and IDF, which is nothing but term frequency and inverse document frequency. It assigns importance to words based on their frequency in a document and their rarity across all documents. For the entire corpus, the score of TF-IDF is represented here. Unlike bag of words, TF-IDF downweights common words and gives higher importance to rare words. Next, word embedding. Word embedding can be your word to vector, glove, or fast text, etc. Word embeddings capture semantic meaning and relations between words in a continuous vector space. Here in this, for NLP, we have a dense vector rather than a sparse matrix. In word to vector, we can have a relationship between two words. With that, we can have a meaning of it. For example, king and queen can be represented as in royalty, and cat and dog can turned into a animal. Girl and boy can be grouped into a gender. Like that, we can find relationships and meanings through word embeddings. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.